People still savor remembering the 2000 dot-com bubble in America. That was a pivotal moment for the tech industry. But if we think that was bad, let me introduce you to the tech storm of 2025. In 2025, the tech giants in the US faced an unimaginable blow. Just in one day, US tech stocks bore a staggering loss of $1 trillion. The tech king of America, Nvidia, the company that makes the chips powering AI, lost $600 billion in hours. The magnitude of this loss, to put it in perspective, it's about 3 times the value of Reliance Industry. But who caused this carnage? A small Chinese company and their latest model, the DeepSeek R1. This is a revolutionary AI model that has shaken Silicon Valley to its core. It's not just another AI model, it's a game changer that's left America tech companies scrambling. What makes DeepSeek's R1 so remarkable? The company trained this model with a budget of just $5.6 million. To compare, US companies typically spend 100 times more than develop similar AI technology. The R1 model is not only more efficient in terms of cost, but also in terms of hardware. You don't need specialized AI chips to run it. You can use a regular gaming PC. That's a major disruption to companies like Nvidia. The response from US has been clear. They are trying to stop China from gaining an edge. But the real issue is that DeepSeek isn't just a new AI model. It's open source. This means anyone can access, modify it, and improve it. It's a powerful concept and the potential is immense. Now, where does India fit into this equation? In the midst of all these technology advancements, where's India's voice? We should be focusing on securing our place in this global tech race, but instead we are distracted by politics. For India to make a mark in this technology race, we need a drastic shift in our approach. We have been capable of doing incredible things in the past, like developing the PA-RAM supercomputer despite the US refusing to share the Cray XMP supercomputer with us. But today, we seem to have lost the ambition. China has overtaken US in the AI race, and we have yet to even try to compete with foundational models.